I'm back. You want to see what it's like to live a full day as a 20-year-old day trader? Buckle up, because you might be surprised. Me personally, look, I get it. You got money, you want to drive cars, you want to have all the watches, jewelry, all that stuff. That's not how I want to live. I can have whatever I want pretty much whenever. I live in a great house. Got the view of the city right behind me. You're good at trading. Aren't you supposed to be good with your money? Why would I not rather invest that money or even just give it to my family? There'll be a time for me to get cars and all that stuff. Why do I need to buy cars and jewelry? I have a girl. Like I said, I have a good family. Everybody around me knows what I do, knows how I do. Why do I need to impress people outside of that circle by letting them say, oh my gosh, he has a Lamborghini, holy crap? I don't care about public opinion, bro. I'd rather stay away from that. To be honest, I'd rather be in the shadows and not have people know who I am. Those traders doing that are here to impress you. They think if they have all this stuff as a visual appeal to you, you will either like them more or pursue them more or buy something from them more likely. That's not gonna get you to being a profitable day trader. The more you put the pressure of trading for money on you, the worse you're gonna be at trading. Step one though is get into bed around 6. I plan on getting it down to 5, but I'm not a morning person, so I just need to itch down to it. It's about 6:45 right now. I just got clothes on. Oh, the weather's been so cold outside. I'm getting ready to go get a coffee, so that's step 2 of becoming profitable. Step 2 complete. Right now for Cyber Monday, I'm doing a 25% off my mentorship. Please do not miss out on this. Live trade me every day. Get a full course that I've created to start from 0 to 100 futures trading. All my strategies, everything recorded, all my seminars recorded. I've been with multiple mentors before, but I've never consistently hit back testing trades like I've been doing with the help of your mentorship. Could and it will be you, man. It's just time for you to apply yourself. You watch these videos, you do all the work, man. It's time to take that next step. I'm your guy for it, man. Code BF25 gets you that discount. Trade live with me one time. I'll show you $50. Ain't too bad after all. It's statistically backed at this point that I trade better when I have coffee, so I just do it every day just to just stay safe. Starbucks is like couple blocks down, so I just like to walk there in the morning, get out of bed, you know, try to get some sunlight for a minute, because you know I don't leave my house. At this point it's about 7:30. I'm just gonna sit here, get ready for the market to open up. A lot of this is just vibe for me, feel good going into it, feel awake, make sure my brain's locked in. I usually go to the gym in the morning, but today I'm not. I just want to get back into the flow. Again, we had a 4-day weekend because Thanksgiving market was closed. Friday half day, obviously weekend. I just want to make sure I'm fully locked in and ready to go. This would just be a scenario where you're just looking at the chart, you're getting an idea of what happened, what we can recap from last week, get an idea of insight going forward. Market's about to open up. I'm actually making a thumbnail of this video right now. I'm snapping. Currently taking our first trade of the day right here. It's only a 6-point SL. We're just looking for a nice little pop-up in pre-market. The mic's in the front of the camera, so I'm kind of looking super bullish coming into market open up. Also, we made an equal low on the 5 and 3 and 2 and 1 minute, so just saw a nice close back above previous highs. So I'm just looking for a nice extension of that. Really work. I get a lot of questions saying like, should I trade during night or should I trade during pre-market? Pre-market, what I kind of like to do is I kind of like to look at setup, see if I find anything good. And I'm trying to just see is get a little bit above my SL. You know, if we can get like 10-15 points of profit, I will just hold through market open. Kind of a gamble. If market opens up and goes your way, you can really just end the day right there. So we'll see. I'm not worried about it. Just got stopped out of that. Market's about to open up. I will see you guys then. And we just got done and I'm actually down today. I get really upset sometimes when I lose, you know, not only because obviously the psychological effect, I'm losing money, but you know, sometimes I feel like I take bad trades, I overdo stuff. Today, I actually feel really good. We're down around 25 points today. Managing my position, that's the number one thing I'm really trying to get good at, and I'm getting better. But ended up, you know, having around 40 points in profit, but I decided to hold through, got stopped out on some bad candle closes. Just unfortunately down in the day, but really not that bad. I feel so good. When you get to the point where you can look at your losses and be like, all right, I had a good day, but I lost. It doesn't matter. You know, as long as you are taking good trades, I'm getting better every day. Like I said, I've had the 2 pretty much best weeks of my life, back to back. So, you know, going into this week, I've really tried to stop myself, limit myself. I'm only using 1 menu right now. All right, so we ended up taking 3 trades today. I'm only down around 28 points on the day, but the thing right here is I took such good trades. I'm usually super pissed off when I have bad days, but honestly, man, I'm feeling pretty good. Setups over PNL has always been the mindset, but let's break down these trades first. First trade we took pre-market. This is the one I alerted you, I showed you guys about like a minute ago. Trend pre-market was bullish, so that's step 1. We are playing with the trend, and that is to the high side. What ended up happening was I marked out our previous high right here. We ended up breaking above that. You guys see, we closed above that, came back down, sold off. Initially made a low right here. This is our first low, which again, didn't get in just yet, but we bought up off this low, closed back above. Next candle comes down, we close. We actually make an equal low right at this low, coming back up the next candle, pushing up. I got in right here, I believe at 38. 50-50. In this case, when you see an equal low being made, you should see buys come in. Again, saw a nice little move up. We were up around 10 points and then eventually got stopped out. And what I told you guys about is like pre-market, I like to try and find a setup and see if I can get a good entry and let it run through market opens up to then just have a really good trade. Pretty much think of it as a lotto. Pre-market trades, I like to do lottos just because I only had a 6-point SL on this, and you guys see what happens when I talk about that. If market opens up and it goes to your side, which again, pre-market was bullish, so we expected to see some bullish move comes in at market open. Yeah, you guys see, I kind of was right. Just missed it a little bit. But yeah, we caught around 80 points on that. If I were to stay in, just I had my SL at the equal low. I should have ran a bigger SL. It was only 6 points. Not a bad trade. Again, really good setup. And the side was correct. We just missed it a little bit. Coming into market opened, obviously huge 80-point pump to the upside. I was already bullish pre-market. Then this happened and I got even more bullish. Again, trend is bullish. We are playing with that. What do you want to do when you're playing with the trend like this, where it's super bullish in this case, when trend is just boom, 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 big boom, big boom? Look for the buy up first, which has just happened. Market opened up. Consolidation, that is a very good sign of a continuation, followed by pretty much an engulfing candle to the upside, closing back above pretty much towards highs. I jumped in right there. So what you're looking for and what we saw in this case was our initial breakthrough to the upside, which was off market open, huge volume to the buy side. Consolidation, sellers try to take control, buyers sweep it back up to a new high. Automatically I jump back in there because what do we see? We saw the buy up initially, so trend is bullish. We're still playing to the buy side. Buyers buy back up at a new higher low. Pretty much no topic at all. Jumped in right there. SL was actually down to here, 33 points, but we ended up moving it up once we got up to 40 points of profit to the previous low, which was right here. Then I ended up stopping at break even. So this is a 4-hour high, and I'll show you guys why I marked out this zone and actually why it fucked us over. This was the 4-hour high we had. Pretty much this is the last leg before we get back up to all-time high. So it was an extremely important area that once we actually go to this 4-hour high, I could expect to see some selling, and that's exactly what happened. Now, of course, trend actually carried through and we actually are above it right now. But what happened was I was really worried about this because again, it's pretty much the last stop for sellers to actually kind of sell off before we go to all-time highs, because that's where I think we're heading right now. So once we got in this 4-hour zone, I was like, all right, I'm gonna look for some sells to come in. This was the whole thing. I wanted to manage this trade, meaning I just wanted to sit back and not a specific TP, just watch the trade, just see how price is moving, and then I'll decide when I need to exit. Ended up waiting for a close because that's what I like to do. First close, so we did see some selling come in here, but it looked pretty good. You know, this is still not a horrible candle to see. Yes, it could be considered a doji, which is a sign of reversal, which isn't good for me, but actually wasn't that bad. If you look on the woman, you see how nice this candle closed. So that is one an example of you're seeing sells come in and we're actually seeing buyers hold it back up, pushing it even higher with pretty much no top wick, which is good to see. And then happen again back to back, because remember what I said, I want to manage this position. If I see a time when sells come in, I'll exit. And it just happened that the candle that followed after 2 bullish red candles came out really strong, pushes down about 20 more points, and I just ended up holding it through break even because I was up like 8 points. I was like, all right, let's run it to break even. Get stopped out by pretty much the wick, man. And this went even higher, so it sucks. But still a really good trade. Bad execution, I guess. I'll take the blame for that 100% of the time. But lost no money on that. That was just a break-even trade. But we saw what happened, okay? So we saw a sell-off, insta buyback, push higher. Sell-off, insta buyback, went higher. Sell-off, insta buyback, jumped in at that close, no topic at all. Didn't get the move we wanted to see. This 4-hour zone held us down again. I'm so big on repetition inside of the market. When you see moves like this, these are the times when you look for entries. You don't buy on a long day like this where we're just seeing insta pump. You don't buy in on the tops. You wait for sell-offs, and then you wait for confirmation of the buyers at new highs, and then you jump in. You follow those people. So what that means, again, sell-off, buyback. You wait for this buyback to close, jump in, move up. Sell-off, wait for the buyback, jump in, close, boom. Sell off, insta buyback. Same thing that happened right here. And look what happened after that. You saw a huge move up. Just didn't see the same move, unfortunately, which sucks. I should have respected this 4 hours a little bit more. I should have waited for a break or something. ESC price kind of chopped after that. We did lose about 20 points on this. So this put me down around 30 points in the day, 28, whatever. And now you can see we're pushing up even higher now, which does suck, but it's okay. We took really good trades. I'm happy with the trades. I was really good. We played the right side. All of them did play out. Just kind of missed them, unfortunately. It is what it is, man. I'm super excited for tomorrow and the rest of the day, man. You're about to see the end of the day for me. What does actually a 20-year-old day trader do after trading? Because it's really nothing. You better realize real quick, this is not like the movie. It's way more boring.
I was aimed left to play the slice, and I just piped her dead straight.
I love piping her. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. We're golfing today, man. We're out here with Tells Trades, very popular trader in the trading space. You know, we're out here just having fun, man, living life, you know. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
I wish my camera had as wide of a zoom as this. I don't know what to say.
Just do some talking, man. Just say so.
You know,
just have a conversation.
I'm trying to think
just
of
talk
what
about your day. What'd you do today?
You know, been trading good.
Boys, I'm currently down on the day, but you know, that's why you come out here, you golf, man. You get away from it. You just take time to enjoy the environment, man. We're outside, beautiful weather, man. You rare Florida occasion where it's not sweating 1,000 degrees.
Please don't.
Come play a par with Steph Trades. Can you come with me? Walk this way. Now we're looking at 130 yards. Currently, I think 6 under today. Just been playing really shit. Nothing too crazy. Right now, again, we got 130 yards, pretty straight par 3. We got a bunker on the left side. Green is pretty, I'd say it's about an 8 right now, speed-wise. Been hitting the 50 degree really well today, so, you know, we're just trying to get us up there, give us a shot. That's what it's about in golf, you know, you just gotta strike when you need to. Oh, fuck! Damn it! Sorry guys, not good. Oh, it just snapped.
Dude, no way. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're hitting the Stingman par 3. I'm playing pretty ass today, but hopefully I can do better than these last 2.
Yo! All right, y'all, I've been flopping like crazy today. We just need to get one more, get us up there, up and down. Okay, no. Dude, why am I so bad in front of the camera? It's all about practice, man. I go to the range every fucking day. I grind every day to try to get better at golf. I'm about to go pro tonight so we can do more golf videos. I really gotta get better, man. All right, boys, just got home. Ooh, let's break it down. There's been a lot of new people joining my mentorship, man. It's so good to see because, man, I'm trying to tell y'all boys, it's about time. But it's just grind time, bro. I'm trading live now in my Discord, bro. There's like 200 people watching me, man. It's, you know, it's a little scary. You know, man, I'm built for it. I've never been someone to sell myself to make you think that I'm doing better than you, which maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I always will be one who will back up what I say, give you everything I have, don't gatekeep it, and make it easy for you to understand. That's why I think I'm the best in the game, bro. And that's why I want a 100K play button. I'm so committed to just making sure you guys know everything that I do to make myself see some success. I'm so thankful that I have the opportunity to give that to you. God bless me with such an opportunity, and it's something that I just have to keep pushing, have to keep making every single day. I'm so happy that you watch these videos and you just get more comfortable with trading because it can change your life, bro. And it's all about just doing it. Just do it! Looking on the 1 hour, it just looks like pure consolidation, which can be really good. It's looking like we are going to continue up and hit all-time highs, which is right up here. I was really confident today that we broke above this zone right here, that we were going to see higher, and that's exactly what happened. Key here, though, is just sitting back. You guys see we're actually chopping right now pretty heavily, which of course is bound to happen after you see a move up like this. Just how we kind of saw it here. You guys see down bottom of my screen, kind of consolidated, huge move up. Consolidation, huge move up. More than likely is the side right now. 2 hour looking the same. 4 hour looking low-key bearish. Daily, you have to look at bearish so we get above this, but I think it's inevitable. The fact that it's all-time highs, the fact that we're so close, the fact that we just bought up off of this just to get right back up. ES is currently above all-time highs, which is a really good sign for NQ to get to that point. Right now, guys, it's all about just taking advantage of playing with the trend, making sure you are on that side because being so close to all-time highs is going to be very volatile. Things are going to happen very quick and very unpredictable. I'll do a little back testing tonight. Maybe I'll do a little trading, and then I'll go to bed, man. Try to get up early, do the same thing over and over and over and over again. Please subscribe. I love you so much.